only a mile and a half wide, it's the widest part. Another close to 2 million people New Year's. The median speed for a car in Midtown Manhattan. 4 miles before Sully landed the plane. He came down. Birds flew into the engine and caught right away. St. Bird was there.
Let's take a picture.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, excuse me. But don't run. Wait, Simon. Birds away. Your face.
We can't get stuck where the ice gets the snow.
The ice. Bro, that's
Look at
just.
that thing still up. Here, let's see it. Going, and it's miserable.
Yeah.
Just step over it, Stella. It's not cold enough to freeze, but it's not. It's not doing great no more. Man, look at the snow coming down. Excuse me.
Really? I want to see myself right here. But look at the back.
The guy would freeze to death.
We're about to walk somewhere else. It's just like, wow. I'll say, oh my gosh, I was saying. And this is the
Here, sit.
nice.
Where are we going?
We're going down.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, those little points, that makes
Yeah.
sense.
Yeah.
Huge puddle. Hey, bad.
Don't drop it. Hold it.
Alright. 1 second. Next hall. It's like with sharp.
Go. Look at this.
Thank you.
Non, mais ouais, ça. Lucas, viens me rendre, je t'en Where we at? Yep. Yep. Where are we going? We're gonna go walk around.
Did you like the airplane, Simon?
Let Simon here too.
What does it look
You
like?
have to look at people when you're doing it, Stella.
Okay.
Do you see the L with the star?
Smell that?
Donald.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
What is it?
Breakfast today. We just got twist. Then mom. Then I got fruit.
Look at how tall these buildings are. Look at how tall.
That's right. I am not kidding. Amazing here. With my mom.
Here, stop. Look at that building.
For the road. That's where cars
That's a tall
right?
building, isn't it?
Hello.
Stop.
Alright, guys.
All right, y'all ready?
We're going.
Hold it.
Wow. I need a pool. They need to do a video.
Did they take it or something, or you?
No, you have to take it.
Don't drop it.
This is my
This is
grandma.
real.
This is my grandma and grandpa.
Alright, let's walk over here. So I'm walking over here with Look at me, Tommy.
Where's Dad? Where's Dad? I mean, it's...
Simon, wait.
It's okay.
You still have yours.
Actually...
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Dad.
Man, that thing is big. Stella, look, attached to the tree, the atom.
New York City!
Like the staff, yeah. You like it? Like I said, you gotta hold it still. Alright, video us. Get you some. Stella, come here. Look, Stella, stay off of the grass. Come on. Don't let any vehicles drive in here during the day.
Sorry.
Here, look at that tower. Oh, look at this, Stella. Look at this. This is wild. Here, come over here. Go stand underneath there.
Hey.
Go. Son, I'll meet you around there. Like, here, pick the camera up. This is awesome.
Okay.
Go. Go. Turn. Go. Let it look at you while you're skating.
Whoa.
Here, hand it here. Watch out, Stella. Don't run up on her. Come on.
Did you skate for years?
Huh?
Hello.
You playing your Switch? About to start raining. I'll get dinner and then get a view of the city before the night comes.